Hi, welcome to day 10 of 12 days of content creation tips. One of the things that comes up a lot when people are talking about content marketing, content creation is how do you come up with ideas? And the short answer is that content is everywhere if you just keep your eyes open and look for it. But if you want to get down to talking about techniques, I have a few ideas for you. One of the sites that you may already have heard of is called Answer the Public. To use it, all you have to do is go to the site and put in a phrase that is a topic that you might want to build content around. For me, it might be, what is content marketing? Answer the Public goes out and draws in search information from Google, YouTube, and Bing. You can view the search terms that people are using on these platforms in graphic form and also in lists. Answer the Public does have a free version, and I've never had to use anything more than that. A platform that I use all the time is ChatGPT. Full disclosure, I do have the pro version because I use it almost every day for brainstorming and outlining and summarizing various content. But they also do have a free version. So if you're using ChatGPT, you might ask it a question like, give me 10 topics that content creators would be interested in learning about. I found the best way to use ChatGPT is to just experiment, talk to it, ask questions, and find out what prompts work best for you. The third platform that I want to talk about is something I recently learned about, and it's called Miro. The function that I've been using is something like an online whiteboard. Using Miro is kind of more like old school brainstorming. You go there and you set your timer for 10 to 15 minutes and just write on virtual Post-it notes any ideas that come to you. This is a printout of what the Miro whiteboard looks like. So far, I haven't gone beyond using the free version myself. I hope that you will find these techniques and platforms helpful. I'll be back tomorrow with another content creation tip.